Bo's Coffee, yes. We like Bo's Coffee.
Wala naman dyan yung magandang waitress.
Wala, daming tao.
Oh my God.
I don't know if this is gonna work.
Anyari, guys.
Well, the day isn't over, but we are pausing to regroup kasi galing kami sa Climb Central where we were supposed to go wall climbing and so ang daming tao. As in, pila sa bawat section ng wall. So parang, that's not our journey today. So, kaya nag-Starbucks muna kami.
Sorry. Not really.
But, in the spirit of being laging handa, we're not giving up entirely. Magpo-coffee lang kami. Titignan namin ulit, tapos kung hindi pa talaga.
We might play board games instead. Yun yung joke ni Pat. Anong medyas ang sweet?
Darlington.
3 beses pa niyang inulit.
Darlington. Darlington. Darlington.
Kaya akala niya hindi namin na-gets.
Hinihintay niya matawa kami. Akala niya, hindi kami natatawa. Pero hindi namin get. Anong medyas ng mga British? Dogs. Nalulunod ako. Pwede pa naman yung
Ano yung kay Rio dapat?
Anong medyas ni Thomas Shelby?
Darlington?
No.
Pull the rope!
Guys,
Pull the rope!
it's just getting worse and worse.
Waiting pa kami makapag-wall climb kaya...
We're playing Splendor, also known as the Stupid Gem Game.
No, it's not stupid. I like it.
They did it for like 10 years. Uy, Pat! Ba't ka ako matulog? Bakit ka nag-waitress? Ba't ka nag-waitress?
Pati yung stop sa